the scene-stealing stories,
and the controversies that made the hit.
This week's showbiz headlines. Charisse Canseco napabilib si Oprah Winfrey. After her very successful and much applauded guestings in Ellen and The Paul O'Grady Show, ang next stop daw for this international singing sensation, Oprah. Just recently, nag-date na raw si Charisse for the episode and si Oprah daw mismo napabilib sa ating little diva.
Nag-taping po kami ng April 2. Yung live performance ko po nun, nagulat po siya. 10 kids po kami, yung iba nag-guitar, nag-drums. So, ako po yung napiling nila sa singing.
John Pratt mag-over the backod na rin to the Kapuso Network. Pasok na rin ang pangalan ni John Pratt sa mga balitang may mga planong maglipat ng network. Kaya sa press ko naman ay po to overload, yan ang sinagot ni John.
Abangan niyo po ang pare ko sa ABS-CBN. Kapamilya. Wala ko naman, di ko alam kung saan nagagaling yun. Kung sino man lalabas. Kung sino man yun. Parang sa mo naman ako.
Pero may offer.
Ha? Wala naman.
Jake Cuenca and Roxanne Ginoo caught in a heated argument sa Boracay. During the press con of the upcoming concert of the Coverboys, Jake Cuenca faced the rumors about him and Roxanne na nahuli in a very heated argument sa top summer destination.
Hindi kami nagiging violent sa isa't isa. Pangalawa naman, I mean, kami nung Boracay, ako I enjoyed my time. Just because, you know, ako, more than anything, I enjoyed my stay in Boracay because Roxanne is there.
It was one star-studded birthday celebration for Buzz host Jobert Sucaldito last Wednesday night. And the stars all flocked para makiparty sa kanya.
Mga kapamilya, tonight we have Piolo Pascual, Angel Locsin, Claudine Barreto, and Judy Ann Santos. Grabe, Eri, ang lalaking mga artista.
That is right, Bianca. Stay where you are for the next 30 minutes dahil ibibigay namin ang pinakamainat, pinaka-latest at pinaka-nakakabaliw na showbiz balita. This is Cinema News Alert Weekend Edition.
Yes, and let's get things started with the stars of Lobo who are continuously enjoying very high public support. Girls just can't help nakiligin whenever they see him, kaya naman he earned the title, the ultimate heartthrob. But how true is it na may babae na daw na nagpapakibok ng puso ni Piolo Pascual? After the Lobo star was linked to his sapiling mo co-star Rica Panalejo, who was rumored to be the mysterious princess na naging very special raw in Piolo's life, naging tahimik at padalang na ang mga balita tungkol sa real status ng love life niya. Last week, Piolo surprised everyone dahil sa set visit ng ilang mga press sa set ng Lobo. Kwento niya that he met someone that definitely caught his attention. At si Piolo mukhang tinamang na raw yata ng pana ni Cupido as he even shared na lagi raw niyang iniisip si Mystery Girl and that he even asked a common friend to set up a dinner date for him and the girl. Pero hindi naman raw siya nagmamadali na manligaw or to get into a relationship, but he's very much willing na mas magkakilala pa sila. So, sino nga ba si Mystery Girl? Ayon kay TJ, she goes to the same church na ina-attenda niya, where he actually first saw her. She's very much single, from a non-showbiz background, at matangkad. Pero kung sino nga ba siya, we'll just have to wait and see for Piolo's revelation about this very lucky girl. She has got the looks and the body that men admire and women envy. And now Angel Locsin again showcases her sexy yet classy side as the model in the May 2008 cover of Maxim Philippines.
Maganda siya. Kakaiba siya because we used medyo sexy socialite yung dating ng photoshoot ngayon. So, more of classy clothes, very sophisticated style. Gusto namin mag-experiment this time. So, instead of yung parang mga traditional na swimsuit, very sexy dresses yung gagawin namin.
With Angel always looking fit and sexy, hetero ang beauty and fitness habits niya.
Sa bahay, nag-workout ako pag wala akong time. Tapos minsan nag-bike ako. Pag may time din ako nag-muay thai. Tapos pag nasa-stress naman ako, sometimes nag-hiking ako.
Also, during the photo shoot, sinagot rin ni Angel ang balitang isa raw siya sa mga choices ni Gabby Concepcion to be one of his leading ladies for his upcoming projects.
Sa totoo lang po nagulat ako, syempre Gabby Concepcion yun. Hindi ko po alam kung kilala niya ako kasi diba, ang tagal po niya nawala dito, tapos napabago na naman po ako pumasok sa trabaho. Kasi natuwa ako na parang wow, kilala niya ako, tapos sabi nga, nagustuhan niya ako kasama.
But here's one project that all Angel and Piolo fans should be excited about.
May pinaplano po ang Star Cinema para sa amin ni Piolo Pascual.
Things have definitely been very hectic for Angel, especially with her being very busy with Lobo. Pero hindi pa rin niya kinakalimutan ng upcoming birthday niya this April 23rd. At may special birthday wish pa raw siya.
May nagbigay sa akin na CD na banda.
may ginawa silang kanta para sa akin. Gusto kong ma-meet in person. Kasi hindi naman dahil ginawa nila ako ng kanta, kundi dahil naniniwala talaga ako sa talent. Kasi ang galing talaga nila mag-perform. Ang ganda ng boses, tapos okay talaga yung kantang ginawa nila. Hindi lang ako nakapakinig. Kinarinig ko rin sa kumakasama ko sa logo. Nagandahan sila. Sana magtulungan ko or mamit ko man lang sila para pasalamatin in person.
And as an added trivia for everyone, balita ko may bagong character daw na papasok sa Lobo, and an extra juicy scoop, papagitna daw ito kina Angel at Piolo. Oh my. So para mo lang kung sino yun, tumutok sa Lobo next week.
And guys, after iakyat sa korte ang libel case ni Sam Milby and Piolo Pascual laban kay Lolit Solis, last Wednesday ay nag-file naman ng bail si Lolit para maiwasan ang pag-aresto sa kanya.
Columnist and TV host Lolit Solis along with Filipino Star Ngayon entertainment editor Veronica Samuel posted bail worth 10,000 pesos each as response to the resolution released by the Manila Regional Trial Court that there is probably cause para ma-charge sina Lolit ng kasong libel. After the malicious article against Sam and Piolo was written and published last year, Lolit and her lawyers also filed a motion to suspend all proceedings. But despite the ongoing court proceedings, umaasa pa rin daw si Lolit na maaayos pa rin ang lahat, especially with her longtime friendship with Johnny Manahan, who is the manager of Piolo and Sam.
Sana maayos. Kasi hindi ko pinangarap na pareho kami senior citizen ni Veronica. 60 siya, 61 ako. Tapos bakit-akit pa kami sa hagdan ng City Hall.
Up next, the scoop on teleserye queens Claudine Barreto and Judy Ann Santos. We'll be right back.
All your favorite rock hits with a twist here on Music Box. The Ultimate Champion proves na hindi lang siya basta pangbirit. Rachel Ann shows her rock star side as she does out her own renditions of famous rock hits.
This is my 4th album na. And it's called Rachel Ann Rocks Live. First time ko po mag live album. And puro rock songs po yung nandito sa album. Trinay lang namin ngayon tong rock kasi hindi ko pa nga nagawa. And yun nga, live album. Para maiba lang talaga sa ginagawa. Kasi 3 album na, puro ganun music, diba?
And though Rachel Ann has done 3 other albums, she admits na dito siya pinakakabado, especially during the live recording.
Yung una, medyo kinakabahan po ako kasi hindi po ganun kahabang time yung meron ako, yung preparation. Sobrang ikli lang po. Talaga kinabahan ako dun sa show. And dire-diretso rin eh, yung kanta ko. So, nakakapagod. Pero in-enjoy ko na lang talaga.
Pero may special song daw ba siya from her album dedicated to her ex-boyfriend Christian Bautista?
Can't cry. Pwede. Okay po kami ngayon. Nako.
It's been about 5 months since she and Christian split up, and the question is, nakahanap na nga ba ng bagong love si Rachel Ann?
Bago sa puso? Wala pa namang bago sa puso. Pagka nahanap ko na talaga yung mapapakasalan, yun na yun. The search is over.